Welcome back. In this video we'll be looking at loops. So a loop is a way to execute the same code multiple times. So we're going to look at just one specific kind of loop in this tutorial, which is the while loop. Now the while loop takes in a condition similar to an if statement. So as long as this condition is met, when you get to the end of the while loop, the end of these curly braces, you'll come back to the start here and execute that again until this condition is false. So whenever you get back to the top, this condition gets checked, and then once it's not met, then that's when it breaks out of the loop. So you have to be careful because you can easily create an infinite loop and then your program will just hang. So you have to make sure you provide a way for it to get out of the loop, right? So in this loop, in this while loop, we're every time it goes through the loop, this gets printed out, and then we take the value of wallet and we set it to itself times 2. Right, so whatever was in wallet before, we double it, and then we replace what was in wallet. So it will do this, and then once we're done with the loop, we're going to print out what was in wallet. Right here, okay. And then, yeah, let's go ahead and execute it. All right, so this is where we are. Your wallet has $10 that got executed here. Then the wallet gets doubled. It's not 20. Then it checks. Okay, it's still less than 1,000. So now let's print out the 20. Double it to 40. Go back up. 40 is still less than 1,000. Double print it out. Double it again. So we see that all here, all the way to this one. All right. So this one is this line right here. The reason is being when we got to the end here and we doubled it, where it became 1280, it went up here and checked and found out that it was more than 1,000, so it didn't get to print it here. So once it breaks out of the loop, that's when it printed out this one because of this line. All right, so simple enough. Now another way that you could do a while loop, in some cases this might come in handy, is for the condition you just put in true, right? So true will always be true. So this is inherently an infinite loop. So that's why we put a break here. What a break does, it interrupts your loop, even if your condition is not met. Like as soon as it gets to break, it breaks out. Even if there was stuff afterwards, that'll get skipped and get out of the loop. So this loop just executes once and then it breaks out. So even though it's an infinite loop, it has the ability to break out, so we don't hang our program. All right. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.